All right, so good morning. Sharing the screen. Give me a second. Attendance Rodriguez. There we go. All right, sharing the screen. Always have too many tabs open. All right. Why does my class resources button look like that? That's not right. And my math book, it's not loading. This is garbage. All right. So what I want you guys to do is to download this PDF. We're actually going to have a quiz tomorrow, but I want to make sure that we've talked about everything. So I want to stay on here and see if you guys have any questions. This is exactly what it looks like. The only question I have is, since we changed the order, I'm not sure if I taught the last question or not. Have we taught the graphing calculator at all yet?
No.
Okay, then I'm going to do that today. I didn't think that I had, but I know that I taught it in Algebra 2 and 2X. So I'm going to teach you guys the graphing calculator today. I still want you guys to go through this and try this all on your own. The only thing, no, in fact, we're good. Okay, I already took it off. I didn't think I had. So I want you guys to try this on your own. Now, I said we're going to have a quiz tomorrow. I actually just changed my mind. The quiz is going to be Wednesday. I want you to go through and try every single one of these on your own. One thing I want to show you on number one. Tomorrow we will go over this. I'll walk you through it all. Let me get that last attendance. I'll walk you through this all tomorrow. One thing I want to show you guys. I mean for this to be constant. I know it looks like it's kind of going up, but can you guys see where my mouse is? From here to here to the arrow, it is constant. So a couple things I want to give you guys a heads up about. Some of the most missed parts of this quiz in the last few years have been C and D. If I ask you to plug something in the f function, pay attention to what's here. We have two functions, an f function and a g function. If I ask you to plug it in the f function, you're literally just plugging x or -2 in where x is. You can use your calculator for that. On B, I want you to plug in 0 into your g function. Be careful. On C, you are plugging in the quantity of 3x plus 2 into your f function anywhere you see an x. Now we'll do that again tomorrow. I want to make sure that you guys don't make any silly mistakes. So try it on your own first. Number 2, increasing intervals, decreasing intervals, and constant. I do mean for this to be constant from right here over. Now we're going to talk about this. We've already done it, but I want you to evaluate and find the domain and range. Again, make sure it's an interval notation. On number 4, I want to describe it's either going to be even, odd, or neither. Number 5, make sure it's open or closed. How do we do this? Again, we did this quite a bit, so make sure you understand this. We'll go over all of this stuff tomorrow. Number 6, evaluate. We have two functions, an f function and a g function. Make sure you pay attention to the details. And the last one, I forgot to put the difference quotient up here. So the difference quotient is, eek. What is going on with it? What just happened? Sorry. Tech issues all around. You guys have it in your notes. In fact, let me go ahead and bring up the difference quotient. I'll give it to you for the quiz tomorrow. That's your difference quotient. So you're going to use that for both of them. So it's f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. We did that last week. And then the last one's writing equations in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Now tomorrow, when you guys get in here, I'm expecting questions. We'll go over all 8 of these. Let's see what questions you have, what you do and don't know how to do it. Again, this is going to be by picture. So there's not going to be any graphing piecewise functions, even though you know how to do that. All right.
When is the quiz and how many questions?
It's going to be just like this. So it's going to be 8 questions, but like you'll see, there's going to be different parts. You do not have to write the question down. You do have to show all of your work.
When is the quiz?
It's going to be Wednesday. So tomorrow we're going to go over all of this. This is your review. We've done 5 sections now. And your test is going to be on Wednesday. The only thing that's not on here that would have been on the quiz is me giving you that equation, which was up there. Okay. Again, guys, it's open note. So go back through, make sure you know how to do this. Real life, you know, if my boss gave me something to do, and even if he gave me just an hour to do it, I've got all my notes, all my resources. So I'm actually not against open note quizzes and whatever. So you will have the entire period to do it. And just like your homework check, it is due at the end of the period. All right, so make sure you guys get in here on time. And I'm not going to post it until right when class starts. All right, and that'll be on Wednesday. Tomorrow we're going to go over all of this. Does anybody have any questions?
Do we have to sign in on Wednesday?
Yes. Yeah, I still need you to sign in because I've got to take attendance. So sign in, and then you're going to have to take a picture, and you guys are doing this. It's going to be up on the assignments. All right, and then upload your picture just like you did your homework. All right. So if everybody's got it, you guys can go ahead and log off. Thank you, guys. If you don't have it or you have any questions, you can stay on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pretty easy day, huh?